Hello everyone, and welcome to SOS, your white label subscription management solution for restaurants. SOS is a complete platform designed for restaurants that offer meal selection, calendar management, and subscription packages. It combines a customer mobile application, a powerful website, and an admin dashboard into one integrated system. Let's begin with the customer mobile application. Customers can log in to the mobile application and instantly access their personalized dashboard. From here, they can view their active subscription, track their plan progress, monitor remaining days, and stay updated on their meal schedule. In the menu section, customers can browse meals organized into categories such as high-protein meals, snacks, and customized meal programs. They can view meal images, nutritional information, and package details. Once you choose your preferred package, you can view detailed information, including package availability, meal duration, and pricing. If everything looks good, simply click Subscribe Now. Next, you need to fill in your personal details, address, and meal preferences, including the date you want your subscription to begin. You can also specify your dislikes and allergies. If you have a promo code, enter it to receive a discount. If you have any special instructions for the chef or the delivery driver, you can add them in the notes section. Once all the required information has been filled in, click Proceed to Pay. You will be redirected to the payment gateway, where you can complete your payment and activate your subscription plan. One of the most powerful features of SOS is the My Meals section. Customers can manage their daily meal selections through an easy-to-use calendar. To select your meals, simply choose a date from the calendar. You can then pick your preferred breakfast, lunch, and dinner for that day and save your choices instantly. As soon as you save your selection, the restaurant receives the update in real time, ensuring your meals are prepared and delivered accurately. You can also track the status of each meal to see whether it has been selected, prepared, or delivered. For added convenience, you can also select your meals in advance for any upcoming date in your subscription, making it easy to plan your meals ahead of time. If you are traveling or don't need a meal on a particular day, simply pause that day's meal from the calendar. If you pause a day, you'll receive an extra day at the end of your subscription, so you won't lose any of your meals. If you forget to select your meals before the cutoff time, SOS will automatically assign a meal for that day, ensuring your delivery is not missed. If you'd like to change the automatically assigned meal, simply contact the restaurant. The restaurant staff can quickly update your meal selection through the admin panel, giving you complete flexibility whenever needed. The My Account section allows customers to update their profile, change their password, switch languages, and contact the restaurant. Customers can also manage their dislikes and allergies by specifying ingredients or foods they wish to avoid. These preferences are automatically shared with the restaurant, helping ensure safer meal preparation and a more personalized customer experience. Now let's look at the admin dashboard. The SOS admin panel gives restaurant owners complete control over their business from a single dashboard. Restaurant owners can monitor customer activity, sales performance, subscriptions, and meal updates in real time. Meals and Menus module.
Within the Meals and Menus module, administrators can create food categories, meal sections, menu categories, menu items, subscription categories, and subscription packages. Whether it's a weight loss plan, muscle building program, or a customized meal package, everything can be managed easily from one place.
Customer module. In the Customer module, you can manage your entire customer database and subscriptions from one centralized dashboard. In the All Customers section, you will find a complete list of customers who have purchased a subscription. For each customer, you can quickly view important details such as their name, email address, phone number, gender, subscription start date, end date, and current subscription status. If a customer requests any changes, simply click the Action button and open the Edit page. From there, you can update their personal information, change their subscription package, modify the subscription start date, and even extend their subscription by adding extra days whenever required. Everything can be managed without creating a new subscription, making the process fast and convenient. Next, we have the Customer Transactions section. This page gives you a complete history of every subscription purchased. You can see whether a subscription is new or renewed, which package the customer selected, the subscription price, start and end dates, and its current status. This makes it easy to monitor customer activity, track renewals, and identify your most popular subscription plans. If you're looking for a specific transaction, simply use the date filter or search by customer name, email address, or phone number to find it instantly. Next, we have the Customer Meal Update section. Here, you can access each customer's daily meal schedule and view the meals they have selected for breakfast, lunch, and dinner on every subscription day. If a customer accidentally selects the wrong meal, the administrator can easily update the meal selection directly from this panel. You can also pause meal delivery for specific dates whenever a customer is traveling or doesn't require meals. Driver module. SOS also includes a complete driver management system, making delivery operations simple and organized. Restaurant owners can easily add and manage drivers, assign delivery areas, and keep driver information up to date. Each driver can be assigned multiple service locations for efficient order delivery. The driver report gives you a complete overview of deliveries. Simply select a date and driver, then export the report to Excel. The report includes driver details, customer information, contact number, delivery area, and more, making it easy to track deliveries, monitor performance, and maintain accurate records. Master Data Module. The platform includes powerful management tools for delivery areas, promotional coupons, allergies, and dietary preferences, helping you streamline daily operations and enhance customer satisfaction. Additionally, our built-in CMS allows you to easily update website content, policies, announcements, and other important information anytime without any technical assistance. Import and Export Module. To simplify your daily kitchen operations, SOS comes with powerful reporting and automation tools designed to save time and reduce manual work. The Kitchen Report gives your staff a complete overview of all meals scheduled for preparation on any selected date. With a single click, you can print food labels for every meal. These labels can be attached directly to the meal containers and include essential information such as the meal name, nutritional values, and expiry date, making food preparation and handling more organized. SOS also includes a sticker printing feature that automatically generates labels for each customer's meal box. These stickers display the customer's name, assigned meals, and delivery details, ensuring every order is packed accurately and delivered to the right customer. Administrators can also export customer records, subscriptions, and operational data to Excel for reporting and analysis. The Menu Upload feature allows bulk uploading of menu items using Excel sheets and product images using zip files, saving time and reducing manual work. Access Control Module. The Access Control Module helps you control who can access your SOS admin dashboard and what they are allowed to do. Let's say you have a staff member who's responsible only for managing drivers. Instead of giving them access to the entire system, you can create a role called Driver Manager and grant permissions only for the Driver module. They can view drivers, add new drivers, update driver details, or download driver reports, while all other modules remain hidden. In the Admin Users section, you can create a new user and assign that role. You can also give additional permissions to a specific user whenever needed without changing the original rule. This rule-based access system keeps your data secure, prevents unauthorized changes, and ensures every team member has access only to the tools they need to perform their job efficiently. Other Settings module. In Settings, administrators can update all important details here. You can be able to change the print type, whether it's A4 or A5. You can also set the maximum number of times customers are allowed to pause their meals. You can also edit email, contact number, address, social media links, and WhatsApp number. Admin can also add holidays in advance, so that day no meals were not served, and customers will receive an additional day in that specific month. The Send Notification feature allows instant push notifications to all app users for announcements, offers, reminders, and updates. The My Account section allows administrators to manage their personal information and passwords securely. WhatsApp connectivity. SOS seamlessly integrates with WhatsApp to send meal reminders, delivery updates, subscription renewal alerts, invoices and receipts directly to your customers. This keeps customers informed, improves engagement, and reduces missed updates. SOS pricing. With SOS, there are no complicated packages and no hidden charges. You get a premium mobile application, a powerful website with admin panel, and WhatsApp connectivity, all included in one complete solution. The price for the complete SOS platform is only $149 per month. So, what are you waiting for? Take your restaurant business to the next level with SOS today. Thank you for watching.